Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Expedia coupons. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Expedia. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now once you're logged in into your account, go ahead and click on your profile icon and go ahead and click on account. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where all you want to do is go ahead and click on view your available coupons right over here, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and activate your coupon right over here. If you don't know how to exactly do it, you can simply go ahead and click on how to use coupons as well, and they have a complete guidance right over here as well. But normally using coupons is going to be done when ordering or reserving a hotel or even your flight. So when you go ahead and book a hotel, so for example, if I go ahead and select one and go ahead and click on reserve and go ahead and click on pay now, all I need to do is simply go ahead and add my coupon right over here when simply booking it. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.